Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. And today's Happy Meal video is sponsored by, I'm just kidding. No, this is a package that I received from our good friend MarlyAnne from our Facebook group, the Maker Exchange, which you can find a link down to in the description box below. MarlyAnne and I are good friends on and off of Facebook. Well, she actually recently had a giveaway where she gave away one of her gnome tea towels in our group, and I loved it. And so she said she wanted to send me one of them, and I said, okay, girls, go ahead and send it. I will not be upset about it. As a matter of fact, I'll be joyful. And so she put that in the mail. Now, obviously, as we can see, this is more than a tea towel. So we're about to see what else she sent. Okay. So here is the wonderful towel that she sent me. Oh, and her hand crocheted items are done with love. Look at that cute little thing here. Isn't he adorable? And it's red, white, and blue. It's just too cute. Look at the little nostril there, the little nose. Thank you, Marley. Miss MarlyAnne, and I called my nickname for her is Pumpkin Spice because she has red hair and she is just as spicy as me. Got a lot of extra going on, and it takes somebody that carries a lot of extra to appreciate the extra that others bring, you know. And that's our girl MarlyAnne. Okay, so in here she also sent Shaped by Grace, and she's a God's girl. She definitely is a woman of faith. Okay, so this is awesome by Max Lucado. Now, a few years ago, maybe 2 or 3 years ago, I did a devotional series on. It was basically a daily devotional on Max Lucado, and it's here on the channel. It's somewhere in the playlist. So, Max Lucado, Shaped by Grace, you are God's masterpiece in the making. The Millennial Kingdom. Who will reign, when, where, and why? And the DVD. Okay, great. Let's see. What is the Millennial Kingdom? Why do so many Christians struggle with it? Is it a real kingdom with a real king? Who is going to reign? Where? Why? How is that future kingdom related to the importance of believing in Jesus today? Answers to these questions and more are in this message. The mystery of the rapture. So these are, I'm sure she does her devotionals as well. Okay, so we've got some good devotional and study guides. The Bema Seat of Christ, teaching by Amir Sarfati. Or is it Tarfati? And then Jesus in the Old Testament. Okay, this is going to be good too. All right, so not only did she send me some beautiful home decor, but our sweet friend has also sent me a little bit of study information, study tools, which I truly do appreciate and will utilize daily. Okay, MarlyAnne, if you're watching, thank you so much for thinking of me, and thank you for being so kind and sending this to me, as well as gifting one to one of the winners in our Facebook group. I just pray that God continues to bless you in your walk, and that you continue to grow and share your love with others. And so that was a short and sweet Happy Meal video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that through watching me receive these gifts, it inspires you to give as well. Anyways, So until we're back here together on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.